Hello everyone, my name is Bhumit Sagate from College Dunia. Today I am at Sankalchar Patel College of Engineering, Visnagar, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Dilip S. Patel sir. He is a professor and head in Mechanical Engineering Department. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia.
Namaste to everybody.
Hello sir. So start with the interview sir. My first question is, how does the curriculum of Sankalchar Patel College of Engineering ensure the best practice of industry?
Yes, let me tell you that the Sankalchar Patel College of Engineering and particularly in Mechanical Engineering Department, we have framed our curriculum in such a way that whenever the students come in the very first year and when after the 4 years of duration, when he become an engineer, then he will be having utmost knowledge and the technological advancement updates in all mechanical engineering machines, fields like computational methods and everything. In spite of that curriculum, we also give the students an exposure to the practicality of the engineering field. That is what we are giving the 4 weeks duration and outside training to the students of our department.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, any insight into how your institute could be more welcoming to students of different races and economic backgrounds?
Definitely. Our institute is being established 20 years back in the year 1999 by the Nutan Sarva Vidyalaya Kedawadi Mandal. And the motto of the Nutan Sarva Vidyalaya Kedawadi Mandal and the founder of this trust, Sankalchar Patel, Dada, he is having a complete understanding that we want to give the education to the students from all the background. Even a poorest students can get the education with economic fees. That is what is our motto. And even in the last few years, we have also have a memorandum of understanding with the foreign universities also. So the students can go there for their higher education.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is, when you first came to Sankalchar Patel College of Engineering, what was your vision for the institute? Has it evolved over time, and how far along it implementing that vision are you?
Very nicely pointed out, a good question. Actually, I have been appointed as an assistant professor in this college in the year 2002. It took total, I think, 19 to 20 years here for my services. And I have seen many developments in this college as well as in this trust. You can take an example that we have started with the engineering college, and nowadays there are more than 14 institutes, including the medical college, that we have in the same campus. So that you can understand, now we have a medical, paramedical, as well as in line with the professional engineering courses we have. So that is what I have seen here. Even you can take my example also, that when I joined the institute, I have a graduation qualification. Then the trust by the principals and the chairmen have found that now why not we improve our faculty member with their qualifications. So I have been sent under the quality improvement program to the National Institute of Technology, Allahabad, for the MTech degree. I have completed my MTech. Then after I have been also sent for my PhD course also. So thanks to the college and thanks to the trust.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, what would you like people to know about your college they may not know?
That's again a very good question. Actually, we found that we are in a rural area, and in spite of the rural area and for our trust, our college is being very strong in the practical scenario. You can see that in our mechanical engineering department, we have more than 15 experimentation laboratory, fully equipped with the latest technology. As you can see on my back side, you can see the turbines and the other equipments which the students are also developing. We have well-developed computational laboratories which we can use for the CAD/CAM facilities. We have an EDM machine. We have a well-developed refrigeration and air conditioning laboratory, thermal engineering laboratory, heat and mass transfer laboratory. And not only in the mechanical department, in other departments also, we are very good at the experimentation work. That is what is our strong point. And once the students come here and visit this engineering college and the department, definitely I am sure that he will think about getting the admission in this college.
Very nicely explained, sir. So my next question is, what do you see at Sankalchar Patel College of Engineering greatest strength?
Our latest strength is, again, just I am repeating that we have a very good laboratory facilities. Now we are doing a memorandum of understanding, MOUs we can say, to the foreign universities. Last time also we have sent our 5 students for their the coursework, for the undergraduation, and they have completed their coursework. You will be happy that we also have been sent to the foreign universities as a quality improvement program, and for 2 weeks we have been there at the different universities like Cambridge University, Kansas University, and we have understood that how they people are giving the knowledge to the students, and the same thing we are also updating ourselves. That is what is in our college.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youths?
Yes, you know that I am now 43, 45. The current youth is 80 and 20 years old. Now the ease of living is very good. At present, the ease of living is very good. But at the same time, to have that comfortability, now there will be a lot of responsibility on the shoulders of the youth. They have to acquire much knowledge about that, how to work with the present environments, how to update, keep them updated. Day by day there will be a new technological trends. So there will be a lot of responsibility. One thing I would like to tell, that there is no alternative of hard work. That is what one has to understand and one has to live with. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving us such informative information about your college. It definitely helped a lot to the students, sir. Thank you so much for being part of College Dunia, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.